Hi guys, welcome to Unocoin's channel once again. So basically, money in any form requires optimum security and safeguarding, be it your cash, your assets or your crypto holdings. There are always going to be a plethora of measures that you can take to safeguard your hard-earned money. But being vigilant and smart with that is 100% your responsibility. So here's a list of measures that will drive you right through the things that you should do to keep your digital assets safe. Choose a wallet type based on your needs. You can choose from either a hot wallet or a cold wallet. Always double check for security and make sure that you enable two-factor authentication. Remember that the password that you are setting for your wallet should not be previously used by you anywhere else. Do not overprotect your account by keeping a screenshot of your seed phrase. That is a big no. The correct way to store your key is to either memorize it or in some cases you can take a printout and keep it in your safe place. When using devices other than Mac, always have some malware protections installed. Make sure that the remote access is not allowed from a device. Guys, just like traditional storage options, it will be a little tedious at first. But once you get used to it, it will be just like any other normal day-to-day activity for you. So if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to Unocoin's channel. And for more information on this, do check out our blog from the link in the description below. See you in the next video.